Answer
Why
would
3? Why 3? Do you have 3 zeros or 2 zeros only? Yes, I have 2 zeros here in the 100, so I will move how many steps?
2
steps.
2 steps to the right. 2 steps to the right. So let's count with together, Judy. 1, 2. So the decimal point will be here. So let's write the number 4, 2, 5, and our decimal point here, and 0. It means what? You can ignore it now. So the answer is
no decimal point, because the decimal point in right
you can ignore it. So the answer is, read the number.
it would be 425 425.0.
It means 425 only. Thank you, Judy. Excellent, dear. Superstar.
Can I answer?
Okay, dear, you can read the second question, letter B.
44.2 divided 1000.
The same idea here, but I have here division equation. If I have a number has a decimal point like this and divided by 10, 100, 1,000, and so on, 1 and the zeros, what I will do?
Can I answer?
No, please listen to your friend. What I will do here? Do you remember? Hello?
Yes, teacher. Teacher, can I answer this question?
Yes, Omar. Omar Mukhtar.
Okay.
Yes, dear. What I will do now, if I have
I have 3 zeros, we will move 3 steps to the back.
Where? Right or left?
Left.
Yeah, excellent. So grade 6. If you have decimal point and you will multiply by 10, 100,000 and so on, this decimal point will move to the right according to the number of zeros. But if I have a number has a decimal point like this, but divide by the same 10, 100,000 and so on, the decimal point will go to the left according to the number of the zeros. So here I will move to the left 3 steps. Omar Mukhtar, let's move to the left to see where I will put my decimal point. Let's count. 1, 2. What I will do? Omar?
Can I answer?
Yes, teacher.
What I will do? I move on here.
0.0.
Yeah. I need now another step. What I will do? I will move it, put 0 and your decimal point here. Let's write the number now. 0. Our decimal point. Complete, Omar. Omar Mukhtar, where are you?
Yes, teacher.
Hello. Yes, dear. Read complete your number now, Complete your answer.
Okay, 0.0442.
Yes, 442. So I will take which number? What's your choice here?
Miss, can I answer? I am Yasmin.
You closed your mic again, Omar. Okay, no problem. This one, 0.0442 or 0.0442. Okay. Now I need Adam. Adam. Okay, Yasmin, you will be after Adam, inshallah. Yasmin after Adam. Yes, Adam. Read.
Okay, the number of altitudes in right angled triangle. Okay, I really don't remember.
Do you remember in the first Adam? Adam, do you remember the meaning of altitudes?
I don't remember, but I think it's 1. I think it's 1.
Okay, let's take it together now to remember. Okay, let's remember together. We have now a triangle. This is acute angled triangle. All the angles are acute, like you see. What the meaning of altitude? Who can remind me grade 6?
Teacher.
Altitude means what? With together. Altitude means
The angles of a triangle.
the perpendicular line from the vertex to the
Teacher,
opposite base, like this. This is called altitude. From the vertex to the base. This is one, and here also we have another vertex and another base. And this is two, and we have here also three altitudes or three perpendicular lines from the vertex to the bases. So any triangle has three altitudes. Again, any triangle, acute angled triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angled triangle, how many altitudes we can draw or see? We have three. Again, what the meaning of altitude? It's the height or the perpendicular line from the vertex to the opposite is make two right angles like this. Huh? Okay, now do you have any question?
No.
Anyone has any question, grade 6? Okay, let's move down a little bit. Yasmin? Yes, dear. We are now in question letter D.
Subset.
Excellent, dear. Who can tell me what the meaning of subset?
Because phi subset mean another set.
This sign, which sign I will choose? This one is the subset?
No.
Yasmin, this one? The third one, excellent. Yeah, this one here. What the meaning of the subset or this? Who can tell me what the name of this sign? Anyone remember what the name of this sign? Yes, excellent. Belongs to, yeah. In which time I will choose this, and in which time why here I choose this one. Revise with me, grade 6. If I have elements and the set like 1, 2, without brackets like this, if I have just the elements like this without brackets, and here we have a set like this, 1, 2, 3, like this. Here I need to put a sign. I will take what? I will take belongs to. Why, teacher? Because there's just the elements without any brackets. And here we have a set. So these elements 1 and 2 belongs to this group or this set. But if I have this 1 and 2 like this and brackets, and here in the other side, the same 1, 2, 3. Which sign I will choose? I will choose it as a subset. Why, teacher? Because here we have two sets. The first one inside the second one is a part of the big one. So we have here a set and another set. So I will choose the subset. Do you have any question now? Again, if you have elements, just the elements without any brackets, I will choose belongs to. But if you have these brackets, it means you have what? You have a small set. So the sign you will choose is subset. You got it, grade 6? What is this? This is what?
Teacher, this is phi.
Phi. Yeah. Why your friend chooses a subset? Why? I don't have any brackets here.
Teacher,
Why I take it?
number
Subset mean any set.
From any set. Excellent. Because phi is a subset of any set. Phi is a set, already a set, but is a subset of any set. Can I write like this, grade 6? Pay attention, please. If I write the same, but I will change the order. This is like this. And here I will put space. and here 5. Which sign I will choose? You can tell me.
Teacher, I
It's
know.
not subset.
I'm Judy.
Yes, Adam?
It
Adam
will be
al-Gindi?
not the subset.
Yes, is in subset. Why, teacher? Why is a subset? It means also this is a subset. No, of course you know. Phi is a subset of any set, but we can't take the set as a subset of phi. No, it's a subset. طب, Adam, can I choose this one? Can I write doesn't belong to? Can I put doesn't belong to?
Yes.
Adam, can I make like this? Are you sure?
Miss,
Can I
I
take
don't
now 2
remember.
choices? Is a subset and it doesn't belong to?
Miss, I don't remember.
Great, do you hear me?
I don't remember.
Again, dear. I said if you have just the elements without brackets, choose what? You will choose what? I will choose belongs to or doesn't belong to. But if you have brackets, it means you have already set. So I will choose here this side. If you have 2 sets, you will choose is a subset or isn't a subset. But here we can't take, in this question, we can't take a subset isn't a subset. I will take it now. Phi is a subset of any set, but any set isn't a subset of phi. Okay, don't confuse. Phi is a subset, isn't. Correct? Do you have any question?
Nope.
Do you have any question?
No,
My voice
teacher.
is clear?
Yes.
Okay, dear, thank you.
Teacher, can I answer?
Thank you. Hamza?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. How are you, Hamza? Are you okay? Okay, dear. Read the letter E, question letter E.
Yeah, the longest chord in the circle is called diameter.
Excellent. Superstar, Hamza. Tell me, Hamza, if I have a circle like this and like this, and my circle is M, for example, and this is A, and this is B. Hamza, where is my diameter? A, B. Thank you, Hami. Yeah, Rudy.
Yes, teacher.
Rudy.
Yes, teacher. Can you
Yes,
hear
how are
me?
you, dear? Are you okay?
Yes, fine. Thank you,
Yes, I'm
teacher.
hearing you, Habibi. Thanks. Yes. Can you tell me if A is a diameter? MA is what?
MA? Okay, it's
Yeah,
radius.
is what?
It's radius.
Excellent, dear. Yeah, excellent. Thank you, Rudy. So AB is the longest chord. This is the chord diameter, but from the center to any point on the circle, this is called what? Radius. From the center to any point on the circle, this is called radius. We have a radius here and here and here and here. All of these called radius. Thank you, Rudy. Let's go down now a little bit. Now I need Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, do you hear me? Okay.
Yes, I
Answer?
can.
Yes, Abdurrahman. We are now in letter F. Read the question.
F. 4 and
Yeah.
1/8 multiplied by 2 and 2/3
Okay.
equals
Can you tell me what is the name of this? One minute. Can you tell me what is the name of this shape of these numbers and fraction? We have number and fraction. What is this? What is the name of it?
mixed number.
Mixed number. Excellent. So we have now mixed number multiplied by another mixed number. How we can make it? How we can
First,
make it?
we
Do you remember
should-
or no? Huh?
Yes. First, we should translate the mixed number to an improper fraction.
We will convert this mixed number to something called improper fraction. What is the
Yes.
difference between improper fraction and proper fraction?
The
You
proper
can tell me.
fraction. The proper fraction. In the proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. But in the improper
This
fraction,
is what? Yeah.
this is the proper fraction.
Complete, dear.
The
Excellent.
improper fraction, the numerator equals to the denominator or greater than the denominator. Equals or greater than the denominator.
So, 1 minute. Improper fraction, our numerator bigger than our denominator. Improper
Or
fraction
equal.
more. 1 minute. No. Improper fraction all the time bigger or greater than 1. Proper fraction less than 1. From where I know? From our numerator. If our numerator less than our denominator, it means that this proper, this the normal fraction, we know it's 1/2, 1/3, 6/7,
Yes.
something like this. But if you find your numerator is greater than your denominator, it means it is called improper fraction, and this shape is greater than 1. Okay, so I will convert now this mixed number to what? Proper or improper?
Improper.
Of course, improper. Teacher, from where you know without convert? Because you have a whole number is 4, and the 4 already big or bigger than 1. So you will convert it to be an improper fraction. Let's make it. Yeah, Abdurrahman, how we can make it?
Yeah. Oh, what?
I need now to convert. Let's make it.
Okay.
Do you remember or know how we can convert the mixed to an improper fraction?
Yes. Multiply
Yes, dear.
multiply 8 with 4.
Yes.
Equals 32. Then add the 1. Then add the numerator.
Yeah.
Equals 33
Yes.
over 8.
I call it. Yes, I call it something called the have a circle. I make it have a circle like this. Start from your whole number, multiply, then add. 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 plus 1 give me 33 over 8, like your friend said. Over 8. The second one.
3
The
by
same
2
idea.
equals 6
Have a
plus 2
circle.
equals 8.
So it will be
8
8
over 3.
I will change my denominator here and here, grade 6. Don't touch your denominator to be the same. Okay, what I will do after that? I have now 33 over 8 times 8 over 33.
We will equal the denominator.
What I will do?
You should equal the denominator.
It will be what? This multiplication. This multiplication, ya Abdul Rahman. Not addition, subtraction. If I have something like 1 minute, if I have half times quarter like this, what I will do? In the multiplication, what I will do? Numerator times numerator, denominator times the denominator. So it will be 1/8. 1 minute, dear, 1 minute. This is the normal, if you have two fractions and you want to multiply. But here, you will multiply 33 times 8 and 8 times 3. But teacher, long. After I make like this, I should make long division. Do you have another idea easy? Do you have another idea to make it easy before multiplication?
What?
What? I'm asking you now. Do you have another idea to make it easy before multiply denominator by denominator, numerator by numerator? Another idea? Before multiplication, up times up, down times simplify. Who said simplify? Thank you, dear. Excellent. Yes, we should simplify. Yeah. How I can simplify
will
here?
be 1. The 2 8s will be 1.
Yes.
The 33 will be 11.
Now
11 and
33 over
3 will be
3.
1.
Yes, we can also we can also simplify again. 33 divide 3 or 33 divide 3. It will be just 11.
11
Teacher,
You remember
can
now,
I
grade 6?
Teacher, can I answer?
Do you have any question here?
No.
Never. Yeah, you can, dear. This question, letter G. But now we are still in letter F. Do you have any question in letter F, grade 6?
No, thank you, teacher.
You remember now how we can multiply? You remember now
Yes,
how we can
teacher.
multiply mixed number? First thing, convert the mixed number to be an fraction. Then try to simplify before multiplication. Try to simplify before multiplication. Then divide if you have. So the answer here is 11. Now let's read this.
Teacher,
Noor?
can I?
Yes, Noor. Do you hear me?
Yes,
Noor?
I can.
Yes, dear. Letter G.
Letter G, 1/2, it will be 0.5.
Okay. You will convert You will convert the fraction form to be decimal form. Okay, as you want,
Yes.
dear. Okay, as you want.
And the 3/4, it will be 0.74.
Oh, 75, not 74. Okay. Then
I will see with the bigger.
Which one?
It will be 3/4.
Yes. If you make it like this, check from the last digit. 0, 0, decimal 5, 7. It means the number which has 7, it will be the biggest one. Thank you, Noor. Anyone has any or different way to answer this question?
And can I answer this question?
Oh, it is speaking.
Me, miss.
Muhammad?
No, me, miss.
Yes, Muhammad. Okay, excellent. Do you have another way to solve this question? If I wanted to compare between any two fractions, do you have another way? I say, I'm hearing you.
Yes,
there.
miss.
Yes, say. Which one?
2 times 2 and 1 times 2.
2 times 2 and 1 times 2. Yes, you will make it like denominator to see which one is greater. Okay, so you will make it here. You want to change it, your denominator to be like this 4, right?
Yes.
So it will be 2 over 4.
2 over 4.
Yes. Which one now is greater? It will be 3 over 4. Excellent, Muhammad. Anyone has another idea to solve this question? Look, grade 6, we have different ways to solve one question. It means you don't have any reason or any excuse. So tell me, teacher, I don't know. Huh? Anyone has any idea or another idea to solve this question?
Teacher.
I have.
1 minute to see.
I'm Judy.
Yes, Judy. How we can solve it by another way?
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, Judy, I'm hearing you, dear. Judy.
Yes, teacher. We will do
Yes, dear. Huh?
multiply crossing.
Yes, cross multiplication. This another way. You can multiply this denominator by this numerator and write the answer here. 2 times 6 equal? 2 times 3 equal? Yes, I will write the answer here. And in the other idea, the same thing, you will do it here. It will be 4. Now, your eyes were this number and this number. What is the big number, 4 or 6?
Teacher, this method is called cross multiplication, yes?
This is a difficult way. Hello?
Yes.
This is a cross multiplication is a difficult way. You see something, you see it like this? Okay, we have 3 ways.
I'm telling that this method is crossing multiplication.
The cross multiplication, yeah, this is the easiest way. You can use it if you wanted to compare between any two fractions. You can use it.
Yes, that what I said.
Improper fractions or proper fractions. Yeah, this is the easy way. So which one is greater than 4 or 6? Here it will be the same answer like we chose before. Yeah. Yes, dear. Okay. Now I need Jana Hisham.
Yes, miss.
I didn't
How are you,
answer
Jana? Are you
any of
okay?
it.
Jana?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, dear. Now we have 2 decimal numbers, 3.25 and multiply by 0.5. How we can do it, dear?
We will make 325 over 100.
Okay, I will put them above each other to be easy to multiply like this. Okay, 0.5. Then what I will do, Jana? Yeah, Jana.
5 times 5
Yes.
equals 25.
Put the ones, carry the tens. Then
2 times 2 times 5
I can't hear you well.
2 times 5 equals
10 and Jana, I can't hear you well.
2
2
times
times 5, you, yes, 10 and 2, you have 2 up equals
12.
12, yeah. Put the ones you carry the other tens here. Complete.
3 times 5 equals 15 and 1 equals 16.
Okay. This step is very easy and all of you, inshallah, you can do it. The next step. The next step.
Then we multiply 2 by what?
What?
You multiply 2 by what?
1 minute, Jana. I multiply 5 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. 3 digits by 1 digit. Okay, dear?
Teacher, can I ask you a question?
Okay. Yes, Noor. Do you have here in this step, you have a question?
No, this
Yes, Noor.
grade 5, right?
Yes, this is a revision for you. Well, back to school revision sheet. Yeah.
Okay.
All of these things you took it before. And you will take it again in 6, inshallah. Yes, Jana, complete your answer, dear.
I will
Now,
put the
this,
point
yeah, where I will put the point?
between
Between what?
1 and 6.
Excellent, dear. Excellent, superstars. Why? From between 1 and 6. Here, great text. Please pay attention with me. Yes, all of you, 1 minute. Here, this called the factors. The first number here in multiplication called the factor times another factor. If you have a number, two numbers have a decimal point, what will you do to put the decimal point in the product or in the answer? Count the number before the decimal point in all the factors. Count the number before decimal point in all the factors. Start from the right, like this. This is 1, 2, 3. Teacher, this is the other factor. It's okay. Count all of them. This is your decimal and this is your decimal. Count 1, 2, 3. It means in your answer, you will put your decimal point after 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1.625. It will be 1.625, this answer. Okay, grade 6, do you have any question?
No, teacher, thank you.
Okay, let's solve the last one here. We have two fractions and I wanted to divide them. I need Sandy.
Teacher.
Yes, dear, how are you, dear? Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Okay, dear. Now we have two fractions, 1/2 divided by 1/8. How we can make it? Remember, in the multiplication, if the multiplication sign, I will multiply numerator times the numerator, denominator times the denominator. But here I have division. What I will do? Do you remember how we can divide two fractions? Who can remind me, grade 6? How we can divide two fractions?
Miss, I know. Miss,
Adam?
I know, I'm Judy.
Yes.
I know.
Yes. Answer? Yes, answer. How we can divide? How we can divide two fractions? The answer.
Okay. 1/2 and 1/8. We flip it. 8/1 and
Okay. Yes.
Division sign will be multiplication.
Yeah. Excellent. Do you remember something called the keep change flip? KFC. Do you remember something like this? I told you what, keep it change flip or keep flip it change. Keep the first fraction as it is. Change the sign. Flip the second fraction. Keep it change flip. And I told you you can remember this with KFC a brand. KFC. Okay, now if I make like this, yeah, Asif. Complete.
Okay, we will divide 2. 8 division 2 equal 4.
So we have here, yeah, you can multiply numerator times the numerator and denominator times or you can simplify from the first. Here we have 2 as a common factor. You can divide by 2, like this. Yeah, it will be, the answer 4. Is 4. Excellent answer. Thank you, dear. any question grade 6?
No.
No.
Anyone has any question?
No, teacher.
Okay, let's take another 3 minutes only, 3 minutes only for this game. 1 minute, please. Okay. Do you see it now? All of you see it? Hello?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. Here we have how we can multiply using a decimal number. If I have or see decimal point here.
Can I answer?
Let's see in the first.
Okay.
Here we have 42 times 1.2. How can I make it?
Teacher, I
How
know.
can I make it? Let's see another girl. Lujain.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, dear. Let's make this one. Are you ready?
Yes.
We have 42 times 1.2.
Okay.
Huh.
2 times 2 is 4.
4. Okay.
4 times 2 is 8.
Okay.
Under the 4 0.
Excellent.
Okay. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 times 1 is 1.
4 times
Then
1
I-
is?
4, sorry.
Yes. Okay.
And then I will put plus.
Okay, I will add them.
Yeah. 4 is 4, 10,
Yeah.
and put the 1
Yes.
up,
Up. Yeah.
and 500.
Yes.
4. And then I will put
So I will write.
See this.
Yes. After what? After which number I will put my decimal point?
2.
After 2, you have it here in the factors.
No,
After 2, let's count. Huh? What is the decimal? This is my decimal. Count all the digits before it in your right hand. This is 1. Do you have another decimal point here?
No.
No. So just after 1 digit from your right, put your decimal. It will be here, right or no?
Right.
Right or no? Okay.
Right.
Let's write it now to see it's correct or no. 50.4, and let's write okay to see it's correct or no. That's it, right. Thank you, dear. Let's take another one. Who can help me to solve it?
Teacher, I'm Judy.
Miss, I didn't answer from the beginning of the session.
Nada. Yeah, Nada. Nada, do you hear me, Nada? Yeah, Nada. Okay. Mazen Ali. Mazen.
Yes, miss.
Yes, dear. Let's solve this one. We have now 3 digits times 2 digits. Let's make it quickly.
Miss, it's 115.
And here, yes, 115 times 1 minute. Okay. This multiplication. Let's make it, dear.
5 times 5. 25. 25.
Yes, correct here. Yes, dear. Complete.
5. 7. 27. 6.
27. So I will put 2. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 and 2 equals
7.
yes, 7. Now go to the next digit.
5 start at 25.
It means I will put 25 here, 5 here, and 2 up like this.
Yes.
Question, dear?
5 and 2 up. 5 and
Yes.
2 up.
Yes, 5 and 2 up here. Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Uh,
Quickly.
7 and 2 up.
Quickly.
7 and 2 up.
7 and 2. Yes, 7 and 2 up. Huh? And
7.
7. Now then add
5 plus 0, 5.
5.
5
Yes.
plus 7, 12. 2 here and 1 up.
Okay. Yes.
5 here and 1 up.
Hmm.
15.
Yes.
1 up.
15. 5 and 1 up. So the last digit is
8.
8. Where I will put my decimal point?
After the first 5, between 2 and 5.
Yes, after the excellent deal, because I have in my factors only after one digit. So I, yeah, one decimal place. So let's write the number to see if it's correct or no. 5852.5, and let's write or click OK. Yes. He said to try again. Do you have here any mistake when you add or make something? Let's see. I wrote it. It's okay. I have Mazen.
Yes.
Mazen.
Yes, miss.
Yes, dear. Let's check your answer.
5 times 5,
Yes,
25.
dear. Carry up to 5 times 5.
2 up.
1 times 5.
7.
And the 2 is 7. Put your 0, as you know. 5 times 5, 25. Put 5 and 2 up. 5 times 5, 25. And the 2, 27. Put here and 2 up. 1 times 5, you make it here. It's okay. Let's check the addition. 5, 7 and 5, it's 12. Carry up 1. It will be here 8 and 7, 15. Carry up 1. When I write it, it's 852.5. It's okay. I don't know. Let's see it now.
It's 115, not 155.
Yeah, I'm right it wrong from the beginning. Yes, I make it. Yes, something like that.
You'll do it again?
I copy it wrong from the beginning. But your answer, Mazen, yeah, no, it's okay. Your answer, Mazen, it's right in the question I write it for you. Thank you, dear. I was happy to be with you today. Inshallah, I will see you the next time. Do you have any question in our session today?
Thank you.
Do you have any question, dear?
No, thank you, miss.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum